What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into the world of personal finance with a review of Chime, a digital banking platform that's been making waves in the industry. So let's get right into it. Chime offers a plethora of benefits that cater to modern financial needs. First up, let's talk about their automated savings tools. Chime's automated savings tool include features like Save When You Get Paid and Roundups. With Save When You Get Paid, users can automatically transfer a percentage of their paycheck into their savings account, helping them build savings effortlessly. Roundups round up every purchase to the nearest dollar and transfer the spare change into the user's savings account. These features encourage consistent saving habits without requiring active management. Chime offers the Get Paid Early feature, enabling users to receive their direct deposit paycheck up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks. This can be particularly advantageous for individuals living paycheck to paycheck or facing unexpected expenses, as they gain quicker access to their funds without having to wait for the official payday. Chime provides access to a vast network of over 60,000 fee-free ATMs through partnership with MoneyPass and Visa Plus Alliance networks. Users can withdraw cash from these ATMs without incurring any fees, offering convenience and cost savings compared to using out-of-network ATMs that typically charge fees ranging from a few dollars to more. Unlike some traditional banks or credit card companies, Chime does not perform a credit check when you apply for an account. This can be advantageous for individuals who may have limited or poor credit history, providing them with an opportunity to access banking service and build positive banking relationship without the fear of being denied. Chime's Spot Me feature allows eligible users to overdraft their account up to a certain limit without incurring overdraft fees. This can provide a safety net for users who occasionally find themselves short on funds, helping them avoid costly overdraft fees that traditional banks often charge. Now, let's discuss the drawbacks. Unlike traditional banks with brick-and-mortar branches, Chime operates solely as a digital bank. While this digital-first approach offers convenience and accessibility for many users, some individuals may prefer or require in-person assistance for complex banking transactions such as opening accounts, resolving issues, or accessing certain services not available online. Chime's mobile check deposit feature allows users to deposit checks using their smartphone camera. However, this feature is only available to users who receive direct deposit into their Chime account. Users who do not have direct deposit set up may need to explore alternative methods for depositing paper checks, such as visiting an ATM or mailing the checks to Chime, which can be less convenient and time-consuming. This limitation may inconvenience users who rely on paper checks for income or payments. Ultimately, whether Chime is the right fit for you depends on your individual banking preferences and needs. If you value convenience, accessibility, and innovative digital banking solutions, Chime may be worth exploring. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.